Here are 20 times idiot drivers. Brake check the wrong drivers. Please stay safe out there. Backing. 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 They're gonna stop, right? They're gonna stop. Oh!
It is no accident that the one in the middle, the ringleader of the bunch, looks like an awful lot like Mr. Bale. It looks like...
Oh my gosh.
Certainly the stereo...
That was a horrible accident.
That was legitness. Yeah, it was, huh?
Okay. Hope everyone's okay. That does not sound good. So now you're gonna hold up the roundabout? Keep moving. Keep moving.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see them.
That's not a lane. What are you doing?
Oh, no!
Oh no! That guy was on their phone for sure. Ugh! How you gonna get rear-ended when the traffic is at a complete stop? Man, snowbirds in AZ.
First time ever getting into it. That's alright, just pull over. Just pull over. That's my first time ever getting into a car crash.
Oh! Pay attention, people. You were going so fast, you must have been on your phone. This is Oregon before the snowbirds come down to Arizona.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Wow, what a red light to run. White truck is like, it's not my problem. I'm getting out of here. How blind can you be?
Dial 911.
Please fire ambulance.
Police ambulance.
Oh! They just hit a pedestrian! And they're taking off? Oh my gosh. Man, that had to be an angry ex-girlfriend. What was that about? That seemed intentional. Oh, that's not the right lane. Construction zone. Pay attention. Those cones are there for a reason.
Bruh.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
You're gonna sideswipe them on a road like this? Do they not see what they did? Where are you going? Oh my gosh. Careful. They might brake check you again. Not sure where they think they're going. Got you on camera. Where are you going? Call the cops. You already got their plate. Okay, lady.
I'm amazed.
Oh! Are they drunk? Oh my gosh. You don't see the lane full of stopped traffic? Get off your phone on the highway.
Got him! Got him!
You're gonna cover both lanes? Looks like they're messing with the bus driver
There
too.
we go. There we go. So he's done this 2 or 3 times already. I don't know what the deal is, but
Hey, you need to space yourself. Give yourself some distance. Oh, be careful. Don't drive next to him. Yeah, well, get away from him.
now he's gonna pull up. There you go. Right there.
Got him! Got him!
Trying to cause an accident. Drunk driver. Drunk driver. Drunk driver. Drunk driver. Go! Major, you see that? Unbelievable.
Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. Remember to stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You're gonna hit.